Hi everyone. So I thought to make a little bit of a quick broadcast as I made a little bit more progress with working on three.js graphing. As I said, it's been kind of an interesting project. It's more, the previous one was about manipulating meshes. This is actually sort of more a project which involves creating vertices and faces and sort of actually creating meshes on the fly yourself. So that's why it's become an interesting project. Since the last one of doing the bar graph, I've actually focused on doing an area graph and seeing how that works out. So I thought I'd show where I've got with it, show where it is. So here we go. Let me just figure out if I can get the video going. Share my screen. Oh yeah, I've renamed it to Mercer as well because that's, and from Android Streaming Electric Sheet. Android Streaming Electric Sheet, it's a way to empathize in that thing. So as you can see, here's your standard graph. Similar sort of thing as before, where you can turn off. You can still customize things like if you want let's show bar. Oh, let's see if I can quickly just find it. So still kind of things like being able to turn things off. So let's turn this off. There we go. Then sort of being able to rotate. I've kind of focused again still on trying to make these things, work with 3D. It's kind of a see-through effect, but you can see if you kind of roll over it, you can still see a line which exists. So, again, this is all dynamic. I'm kind of working it onto my GitHub. Let's put that back, the measurement lines back in. I think the next step for this graph itself, I think I'm going to have it so you can roll over and the values or wherever will appear where as the mouse hits the actual point. Again, I'm not sure how to do that in a way which would be interesting and not kind of messy, but I'll keep playing with it. After that, I think I'm going to try and do a scatter graph, a weighted scatter graph of some sort. Any thoughts on whatever people think would be interesting to see visualized into a 3D graph would be appreciated, or things which you think would make it better would again be appreciated. As I say, this is all open sourced on my GitHub, so if you're interested in seeing how I did it as well, feel free to go and check it out. So, that's it, just a quick update. Thanks a lot. Cheers, bye.